For number 5, you're given that you have a kite and a rhombus. So we need to remember a couple things about kites and rhombuses. The first thing is, in a kite and a rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular. And so that means to start these problems off, we need to remember that we've got these 90-degree angles inside here. The second thing about kites and rhombuses is we do have some angle bisectors. Remember that the vertex diagonal is the angle bisector in a kite. So that means this angle bisects, or BF bisects angle ABC, and BF bisects angle AFC. In a rhombus, they're all angle bisectors. Both diagonals are angle bisectors. Finally, you're given that C is on BD, which means this is a straight line, which is going to be important for us. Okay, so we're given that BAC equals 40, which means that because this is a right triangle, this angle must be 50, which then means this angle must be 50, and this angle must be 40. Now, one of the things you have to do is resist the temptation to try to figure out what that angle is right now. That the two isosceles triangles in a kite don't have any relationship with each other. That's why we did need to get an AFB is 28. So this is 28. Remember, a right triangle, so this must be 62. Turns out these two right triangles are the same because of the angle bisector. So now we have filled in all the angles in the kite. Let's go ahead and finish it in the rhombus. If this is a straight line, then these 3 angles, or 4 angles, add up to 180. Remember, a diagonal of a rhombus bisects the angle. So that's why I used an X and an X to represent that they are the same. So I could say 102 plus 2X equals 180. So 2X equals 78, which means X equals, this AFB should have been 24. I wrote that down wrong. And so this should be 66. And so this should be 106. And so that gives me 2X equals 74. And so that is X is 37. And then since these are both 37, and we know that a rhombus is a parallelogram, then these two must also be 37. And then that means these must be 53 because these are also right triangles. 37 plus 53 equals 90. So what is CED? CED turns out to be 37 degrees. And then CFD turns out to be 53. And so the correct answer is CED is 37 degrees and CFD is 53 degrees.